Do you feel like you are dragging through every day, right? Barely keeping your eyes open by mid-afternoon? You do know that you don't have to feel that way, right? Constant fatigue shouldn't be a part of your life, right? So today I'm going to show you the common causes of chronic tiredness and simple lifestyle changes that can help you reclaim your energy and vitality. But welcome back. My name is 𝐬𝐮𝐬𝐫𝐞, and I help you optimize your brain health so you can feel calm, focused, and productive every day. If you feel tired all the time, this video is going to be for you. So many people believe that constant fatigue is just a part of life, but that is a myth. And in most cases, chronic tiredness are signs that something else is off. Today's video, we are going to dig into the root causes of fatigue, from poor nutrition to stress, and I'm going to share actionable steps to help you regain your energy and vitality. But first, I want to let you know that I do drop 2 videos a week, Mondays and Thursdays, so make sure you subscribe and hit that notification bell so you are the first to be notified when that video drops. So first, let's break down why you might be feeling tired all the time. Fatigue is often the result of many factors, from lifestyle to diet to hormonal imbalances or stress levels. Also, chronic fatigue, especially if it's severe, can also be related to Epstein-Barr virus, so it can be viral. Our bodies are designed to thrive, but when these areas are out of balance, it's like trying to run a car on fumes. So addressing these underlying causes is the first step to restoring energy rather than relying on temporary fixes like caffeine or sugar. So, common cause number 1. A huge factor in chronic fatigue is nutrition. That's going to be like where you want to start. If your diet is high in processed foods, refined sugars, and low nutrient dense foods, your body simply isn't getting the fuel it needs. Nutrient deficiencies in vitamins like B12, iron, and magnesium are especially common in people dealing with fatigue. B12 is essential for red blood cell production, which carries oxygen throughout the body, and a deficiency can lead to tiredness and brain fog. Iron is another big one. Without enough iron, you may experience anemia, which zaps your energy. Magnesium plays a role in over 300 biochemical reactions, including energy production. Eating a diet rich in whole foods, especially leafy greens, lean proteins, and whole grains, can make a huge difference in your energy levels. You need to make sure that you don't just go out right now and buy magnesium, iron, and B12. You need to buy something that's more broad, more balanced, more holistic. Dr. Christopher's has a blend called Vital Herbs, and that's a very natural herbal way of getting all your vitamins and minerals. It has things like alfalfa. Alfalfa is the most nutrient-dense plant out there, like that we grow. And so you want to buy something that's more well-rounded, like B complex, not just B12, but B12 in the B family is going to be a little bit more related to the tiredness. Yeah, just keep that in mind. It's better not to isolate things. It's better to have something that's more well-rounded. Common cause number 2, sleep. Even if you're going to bed every night, poor sleep quality may be leaving you tired. Poor sleep hygiene, such as irregular sleep schedules, screen time before bed, or even high stress can disrupt your body's natural circadian rhythm. Sleep is when your body repairs itself, clears out toxins, and resets for the next day. If your sleep isn't restorative, you're going to feel drained. Try creating a calming bedtime routine. Limit caffeine intake in the afternoon. Avoid screens at least an hour before going to bed to improve your sleep quality. The blue light emitted from blue screens is going to mess up with your pineal gland, which is what secretes melatonin, which helps make you sleepy. So make sure that if you're having trouble, stop looking at your phones or anything for an hour or more before you go to bed. I would try 3 hours if you're having a really hard time with it. Okay, number 3, hormone imbalances. Adrenal fatigue, thyroid issues can be underlying causes of fatigue. It's a big one. Adrenal fatigue happens when your body's in a constant state of stress, causing your adrenal glands to overproduce cortisol until they eventually become depleted. This leaves you feeling wired but tired, often exhausted, but you're unable to fully relax. Thyroid imbalances, especially hypothyroidism, is another common cause. If your thyroid is underactive, it can slow down metabolism, lead to weight gain and low mood, and you guessed it, fatigue. This actually was in a video I was just watching today, a whole interview with the lawyer who just a couple weeks ago, they won a big case about the fluoride. So hopefully now cities are going to start taking fluoride out of the water, because They mentioned that many years ago, decades ago, they were using fluoride for people with hyperthyroidism when their thyroid's like on overdrive as a way to dumb it down so it's working now in normal levels. So if you are ingesting fluoride and you have, let's say, normal thyroid, then you're going to have hypothyroid. So hypothyroid often can just be to your fluoride. Do you have fluoride in your water? All right, so if you live in a city with fluoride in your water, maybe that's a problem. Could be any other toxin, but that's definitely, there's studies that prove that. So work with a health professional to test these imbalances is a good step if you suspect hormones are involved. Number 4, chronic stress and mental burnout. So these are another contributor to fatigue. When you're constantly stressed, your body's in fight or flight mode, releasing stress hormones like cortisol and adrenaline. Over time, this constant stress can lead to adrenal fatigue. And as I mentioned, but it also mentally exhausts you, leaving you feeling burnt out. So to reduce stress, consider incorporating relaxation techniques like deep breathing, meditation, just going on short walks throughout the day, sitting in a sauna, whatever is, just read a book, whatever is relaxing. These small little changes can make a huge difference in your energy levels over time. Number 5, lack of physical activity. So my last Thursday video, we talked about too much physical activity as potentially being harmful, but the lack of physical activity is very harmful as well. So a lack of physical activity can actually make you feel more tired. Regular exercise improves circulation, increases oxygen flow, boosts endorphins, all of which increase energy levels. Even light activity like walking or yoga can be incredibly energizing. So start small if you need to aim for just 10 to 15 minutes of movement every day, and then you'll likely notice a difference in your overall energy. So what are your steps to restore energy and vitality? Focus on your nutrition. So make sure you have nutrient-dense foods and well-rounded supplements. Improve your sleep hygiene. Go to bed by 10 o'clock. Make sure you're getting a full night's rest, or get off your screen an hour or two before. Maybe you need to do things like gazing at the evening sun to activate that red. It's the red color. It's the blue light that's supposed to be for the day, and the red and the oranges are at night. Stare into a fire. Manage your stress. Practice mindfulness, meditation, relaxation. Stay active. Seek for help for hormonal imbalances. So if you know your hormones are all out of whack, you need to really balance those, and that's going to help a lot because your thyroid is part of that hormone system. You might not even realize that, but it is. You don't have to accept feeling tired all the time. It can be a little bit hard to pursue healing yourself, so get somebody else to listen to this and help you through what you need to do, okay? But by addressing the root causes of fatigue, making targeted lifestyle changes, you can reclaim your energy and feel more vibrant every day. If you found this video helpful, please like it, please share it with others, and don't forget to subscribe for more tips on brain health and learning. And if you want to learn what the exact nutrients are that you need to in order to optimize brain health and function, then check out my recorded workshop, Feed Your Brain. I'm going to have the description in the link below. And take care, and I will see you in the next video.